Welcome to our video. In this video, you will learn how to efficiently send mass emails using various spreadsheet tools such as Google Sheets, Excel, and CSV files. Whether you're working with Google Sheets, Excel, or any other type of spreadsheet, this tutorial will guide you through the process of sending mass emails, making it easy and convenient for you to reach multiple recipients effortlessly. So let's get started. First step is open your browser and go to the website mailmerging.com. Once the web page is loaded, click on the Download from Google Play Store button if you are using an Android device, or click on the App Store Download button if you are on an iOS device. After the MailMerge app installation is completed, you will see the following screen. Now go to the Contacts tab. In the Contacts tab, you will find options to upload your Excel or CSV file or attach your Google Sheets file to import data. Make sure that your file contains the email column with the email addresses you want to send. Compose your message in this tab using dynamic placeholders for personalization. The message writer editor here is similar to Microsoft Word, making it user-friendly and easy to use. In this tab, add your email accounts. You can include multiple accounts such as Gmail, Outlook, Zoho, SendGrid, and any other compatible service. Additionally, you have the flexibility to add multiple accounts, providing higher sending limits. Now, after selecting the required fields, press the Preview and Send button. This will allow you to preview and send your email to all the email addresses in your spreadsheet. Congratulations! You have successfully sent emails to the list of addresses in your spreadsheet. Wasn't that easy? For more informative videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel.